It's the Backcountry Roofer here, and today we're going to be doing a suspension mod to my Hennessy Hammock. We're going to be swapping out the stock suspension, and we're going to be changing it over to Dutchware Gear's Beetle buckle suspension system, and let's get right into it. Alright, so what we got here as part of the suspension, we have two 15-foot suspension lines here with the Dyneema Polypro, so you can see there's a ton of footage on there. Alright, so I opted to go with the sewn-on Dutch clip on the end there. So you just wrap it around a tree and hook it on itself. And at least with them sewn on, I don't have to worry about losing them. I also went with the blue Amsteel continuous loops, and we'll see how we use those in a minute. Quick look inside of here, how the hammock comes from factory. It comes with these straps here. I added the carabiner and the zap rings. If you look on YouTube, there's a lot of people who run their Hennessy hammocks like this. It's pretty simple. I just looking to switch it up. I found that these straps here were, on a lot of the bigger trees, just causing problems, not being able to go around them. So that there, so that's two of those. We'll be getting rid of those. So let's open this right up. Alright, for all you guys who know Hennessy, you know it comes with this line here on the one end. I got my snake skins still on there. I probably won't be using those anymore. But then the line goes into the end of the hammock here. And it's got this little fabric there just to tidy up the look of it. But it's got a zip tie right there, so we getting rid of that zip tie and then opening this up. Alright, so I have not done this before, so you'll be doing it the first time with me. Got my handy dandy roofer's hook blade there, and we'll try to get just zip tie. Oh, so I did get it. Alright, so it uncovered here a series of knots and loops, so we gotta try to get this untied here and this rope off to start. That line right there is the ridge line, so that's gonna stay. We'll have to loop it in somehow at the other part here. Let's go with a pair of scissors here and start chopping away at it. Alright, so that loosened up that. We'll pull this through. Oh, baby crying. Alright, so there it is, that's it taken apart. There is the ridgeline loop. So I went up through there, through the ridgeline, back down. Gonna slide it underneath here twice. 1, 2, then bring it through here like this. That looks like the cleanest to me, and fairly strong there. Alright. Alright, so that's the little cover that came off of there. Just put a pencil on the line there. We'll see if we can push this through. Alright, so there you go. It's one side. I just put a zip tie on there later. I don't have one tonight, but and there you go. So that's one side done, and I'll just repeat the process. Hello, you ready to hang? We dropped 13.83 ounces. I forgot to measure the am steel, but the new straps there. Seven 7.07 ounces. Alright, that thing was packed full last time. So just in pack size I've lost a lot of or I've gained space in my pack. That squishes down quite a bit more, so that's an added benefit there. Not to mention the less weight plus longer straps. I should be able to reach longer, and I should be able to go around bigger trees, which that was a nuisance I found before. So there you go.